Hello guys, this is Ed and welcome back to my channel EdRT. And I just want to show you what you can get if you order the front bumper along with the flares. They come in the same box. There's a box within a box. The smaller box comes with all the flares and side markers and brackets and adapters and stuff that you need for the Widebody install. I actually planned on just getting the front bumper. I just needed a new bumper. Mine was all beat up, so I decided to upgrade to the Hellcat one, and I found the ikonmotorsports, I guess the best price. And but there was this Widebody kit along with the front bumper, so I thought I might as well get both because I thought the price was reasonable. So I already installed this. If you missed the installation video, check out my channel, you can find it there. So that way you can have an idea what you'll be getting if you decide to go that route, buying both or just the flares by themselves. I think the package, the combo of front bumper and Widebody flares, it was around $800 to $900 around November, which was pretty good, but I was undecided that time, so I waited, and then it went up to 900, then to 1,000, and I was like, I'm gonna get it now. But now in 2021, this is close to 1,500 now if you get the combo. But if you want to get it, it's probably better get it separate. I'll provide the links to the parts on the description below, so that way you can compare the different kits if they still available, and I'll try to find better ones, but I mean they're still around, they're over 1,000, so you can get them better if you buy, like for instance, you buy the bumper first and then you buy the Widebody later. But you want to get the combos, the Widebody and Hellcat bumper together is more expensive. So they're still expensive if you buy it separate, but it's like half the price, so I think it's better. Especially if you're tight on budget, I'll recommend just getting one at a time, depending on your needs. It depends what you want, I would probably wait until later on this year. I think by November prices might go down, so I would probably wait. Until November, until it goes down on price. Hopefully it'll go down to 1,000 again, or maybe less. But I mean, if you needed to get it now, I would recommend just get one and not both at the same time, because it might probably go down in price after September, even after September. So it's up to you guys what you want to do, but that's my recommendation. I'm currently putting together the installation video. I have some content about that I did last year on the installation, so you'll be surprised with what I did, but I'll show you in the next one, so that way you can see. Here I took it outside just to test fit, see how it would look like, and I really dig the matte, I guess the black on silver, and I was probably gonna leave it like that, but I end up getting a color match at the paint shop, but I kind of like them. I may wrap them in the future, I don't know, but this already painted. So I'm just pretty much playing catch up with all my videos. I had a lot of content from last year. This Widebody is actually in the car already, but I'm trying just to catch up and load all my videos before I go ahead and show you the final product. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please support the channel, like, subscribe, and comment. That means a lot to me. It helps me to keep up with the channel. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.